we look at the 3 greatest crypto social trading platforms in this video. It's a fact that doing something is the fastest method to learn something. You can't, however, merely jump into the flames without getting burnt. That's where a plan comes in handy. Developing a strategy entails integrating theory with market research and putting it into action. It's a potent combo, especially if you're well versed on the subject. Unfortunately, the majority of first-time investors mistakenly believe they do, only to discover that they don't. That's why hiring a coach is a good idea when it comes to investing. Having a mentor, a buddy, a coach, or anyone else with appropriate knowledge can help you learn faster without wasting money on costly trial and error experiments. That is, however, easier said than done. Great mentors or coaches often cost a lot of money, which isn't in everyone's budget. A great investment coach is not affordable to every ordinary investor. Having someone to talk to about the market and your decisions is still beneficial. You need to surround yourself with people who can challenge your assumptions. Ray Dalio, a wealthy investor and hedge fund manager, puts it this way: "I just want to be right. It doesn't matter if I give the correct answer." That's why a social trading platform that allows you to invest in cryptocurrencies is one of the greatest locations to start your crypto investment career. In this post, we look at some of the most popular crypto social trading platforms. But first and foremost, what is cryptocurrency social trading? What is crypto social trading and how does it work? For traders, social trading platforms are similar to social networking sites. They usually act as a broker, allowing you to buy a variety of products, CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Social trading systems, unlike traditional trading platforms, allow you to connect with other traders who trade the same markets or goods, mimic their moves, share and discuss analysis and predictions, ask questions, increase your following, and learn faster than you would otherwise. Social trading platforms that allow clients to trade cryptocurrencies or crypto-based asset contracts are referred to as crypto social trading. So, in 2022, which social trading platforms are best for Bitcoin investors? Number 1. eToro. Number 2. Convesting using Prime XTB. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to receive future updates in this series.